Africa. A land of wide savannas, bustling cities, tall mountains, and golden deserts. A land of hundreds of cultures and thousands of languages. Yet, no matter where you go, from Lagos to Nairobi, from Accra to Addis Ababa, you will hear the same heartbeat. The heartbeat of one people, Africans. But this unity has not always been easy. For centuries, Africa was divided. Our resources were taken, our people enslaved, and our borders cut by foreign powers. Brothers and sisters were separated, and tribes were turned against each other. In 1957, a new voice shook the world. Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana declared, "The independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it is linked with the total liberation of Africa." His dream was bigger than one nation. He dreamed of a United States of Africa. From the south came another voice, Nelson Mandela. For 27 years, Mandela sat in a prison cell because he dared to fight apartheid. But when he was free, he chose forgiveness, not revenge. His message was clear: we are stronger when we are together. In Tanzania, Julius Nyerere spoke about Ujamaa, familyhood. He said, "We cannot build a nation on greed. We must build it on love, sharing, and unity." In Ethiopia, Haile Selassie declared before the world, "Until the philosophy which holds one race superior and another inferior is discredited, there will be no peace." His words inspired even Bob Marley, who sang them across the world. From these leaders, a dream was born, the dream of African unity. In 1963, the Organization of African Unity was formed. Today, the African Union carries that dream forward with one voice, one vision, one Africa. But unity is not just history. It is our challenge today. When we fight because of tribe, we forget we are brothers. When we look down on another African because of language, we forget we are sisters. Unity means standing together, caring for one another, and building Africa's future. Young people of Africa, the future is in your hands. Do not let tribalism or corruption steal your tomorrow. Remember Mandela's words: when people are determined, they can overcome anything. Remember Nkrumah's dream: Africa must unite. The strength of Africa is not in its gold or oil, but in its people, in you. Africa is rising. Our music, our culture, our voices are being heard worldwide. But the journey is not complete until we stand united. So today, let us honor our heroes by choosing unity. Because when Africa is united, Africa is unstoppable. And that, my friends, is the spirit of African unity.